Carol here with the Everspruce Home Inventory App, the simplest way to keep track of your belongings. On this channel, we talk about the importance of home inventory and organization. Today, we will walk through the easy process of adding areas, boxes, and items in your inventory using Everspruce. Before we get started, here are some reasons why you should use a home inventory app. Insurance claims and loss prevention. A home inventory app provides homeowners with a detailed record of their possessions, including descriptions, value, and even photos. Organization and accessibility. Managing a home inventory manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Using a home inventory app saves time and allows you to organize your items either by area or rooms and makes searching for items so much easier. Estate planning and moving. Home inventory apps can be invaluable during estate planning or when you're moving into a new home. When preparing an estate plan, having a detailed inventory can aid in the allocation process of assets, ensuring that specific items are allocated to the desired beneficiaries. Additionally, when moving, a home inventory app allows homeowners to keep track of their belongings during packing, transit, and unpacking. This ensures nothing is lost or misplaced during the process. Let's get started. Once you open the Everspruce Home Inventory app, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Tap the Add Area button to begin organizing your home. Now let's add an area where you want to store your items. For example, let's add a living room. In this example, I'm just going to call it Test Living Room since I already have my living room in the app. Simply tap on the Add Area button and enter the name of the area. Great, you've just created your first area. Now let's move on to adding boxes within this area. To add a box, select the area you want the box to be placed. In this case, I'm selecting the Test Living Room area I just created. I'm going to tap on the Add Box button, and now I can label my box. Perfect. Now we've just added a box in our Test Living Room area. Now we can start filling in with items. To add an item in the box, tap the desired box and then select the Add Item button. Take a photo of your item. Excellent. Now you can enter the details of your item, such as the name, description, value, and any other additional information you want to include. You can even add additional photos. You successfully have added your first item to the box in the living room area. To learn about how to add more than one item into a box quickly, you can watch this video here. Bonus tip, you can actually add items into an area. You don't need to add all items into a box. For example, here you can see that I have like large furniture in my living room, so it doesn't require a box. The item is actually in the area, so just make sure you take note of that when you're doing your home inventory. In addition to organizing your home inventory, the Everspruce Home Inventory app has some handy features to even make your life easier. One of these features is the QR code labels feature. You are able to place QR code labels on your boxes. This allows you to use your phone to scan the QR code and see what is exactly in your box without having to open it. This saves you time. It is so convenient and efficient to keep track of your items. Another great feature is the tag feature. You can search items by using the tag feature. See, in this example, search has never been simpler. Lastly, the Everspruce Home Inventory app allows you to back up your inventory into the cloud, ensuring your inventory is safe. With backup, you know your inventory is always protected and accessible. And that's it. With the Everspruce Home Inventory app, staying organized and keeping track of your home inventory is a breeze. By using a home inventory app, homeowners can safeguard their possessions, stay organized, and streamline various tasks related to home insurance, estate planning, and moving. Start your home inventory with the Everspruce Home Inventory app, available for download in the App Store. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed content like this.